During the live demonstration, we will address your unique needs and provide plenty of time for discussion and questions. Starting with a very simple case, the content of the tolerance analysis report will be summarized. Using the same model, kinematics and force equilibrium calculations will be introduced. Then, depending on your needs, we will use a series of more detailed models to cover different aspects, including 2D geometric constraints like position, parallelism, datum shift, and more, physical aspects and mathematical modeling, complex mechanisms, an approach for 3D stackups, CAD file importation, and much more. Enventive Concept helps you bring better products to market faster by avoiding the cost and delay of discovering design errors during manufacturing. Don't hesitate to contact us to learn more about this product. We will show you practical examples to demonstrate how Enventive can help you by controlling deviation due to manufacturing tolerances.